Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my FabFitFun Box. So if you watched my last video where I recorded what am I choosing, you would have seen me not super enthusiastic about this box. I had some definite things that I loved with the hard choices in Customization 1. Customization 2, I didn't want a single thing. Somehow I went from that to wanting everything in Customization 2 because I didn't want anything. I had to research everything, and the more I researched the things, the more it's like, you know, I could use that. You know what, that's probably pretty good. Anyway, I'm getting far too many spring boxes as it snows outside. It's pretty unbelievable how many boxes I'm getting for spring. So this is not my annual box. This is my add-on to my annual box, because when I saw one of the add-on boxes that had pretty much everything that I really was torn on, I thought, okay, I'm just gonna add that on, make my one selection in each category, and then I'll be good. Well, then I added on a seasonal box, and then I added on an American seasonal box, and I did some extra add-ons in each customization of the first annual box. Yeah, so I'm getting a lot of things. But I have to say, and here's a really good example. So in the number one category, this was hands down from the second I saw them. I knew that I wanted them. I will not be disappointed that I have gone overboard and bought all of these plates, but I am getting 3 sets of these plates in a variety of different boxes. And I'll show them to you because they are totally me. And if you look around you at my backdrop, they're gonna blend right in. So these are the Sweet Laurel plates, and they're as beautiful as I thought they would be. I absolutely adore them. And I'm gonna show you, if you just know me from FabFitFun and unboxing these videos, you would think I'm a good little consumer because I seem to go kind of crazy overboard. And I have to say that FabFitFun has definitely made me discover some unbelievably beautiful products, but I am not typically someone who buys a lot of stuff, and I'm going to show you what I mean. These are our side plates that I currently have. There's 4. I have 2 other side plates that we took from a landfill site. Basically, there's a boutique there. People can put stuff that you can still use. I think we have 2 other plates that are in the dishwasher. I have 6 plates, and I have not gone out to buy brand new plates. When we renovated our kitchen, we said we really need to get like matching dishes. We never did. And when I saw these plates, I'm like, I actually need plates. And these are a design that are just spectacular to me. These are so pretty. I absolutely adore them, and I will enjoy them for many years to come. I'm super happy about these. I'm glad I'm getting an entire set of them so that if any break or if we have a big party, then we have enough for everyone, and specifically for cake for birthdays and stuff. The other reason why I chose this add-on box was because of the fact that it had a second choice from Customization 1. I have a job where I work 8 hours and I cannot leave, so I have to always bring food to work, and I would say probably 80% of the time I'm bringing a salad. So a salad bowl will get great use, and this one seemed like an interesting design with the separate compartment here to put a variety of things. If I'm going to work tonight, I think I'll actually try putting soup in it. The only problem is you can't heat it up. So I could heat up the soup, put it in here, take it to work, but I have to be eating it right away. Otherwise, I definitely will get a lot of use out of that. So I'm super excited to have this, and it's my favorite color. So how can I go wrong? So this box, I can't even remember what it was called, but it was one of the add-on boxes, and it was $65. The next thing out of the bag the box is a bag. And I've recently taken up yoga at the gym. And my current bag that I was using came from FabFitFun last year. And it is this bag, which I really like. However, the yoga mat doesn't go in the bag on that one. So I thought I would actually show you what this looks like with runners in the bottom. Okay, so there's runners in the bottom there. And I really wanted to show you what it looked like with the yoga mat sticking out of the top, because I thought, well, this is one way I could actually carry my yoga mat. The yoga mat actually came from FabFitFun as well. It was in an add-on set, and I'm actually really happy with the choice because it's a really lightweight size. The only problem with it is it doesn't have any kind of a strap or any way to carry it, but it rolls up really nicely. So this is the idea for this bag. That I can just have it sort of sticking out of the bag, and then throw it over my shoulder, like a backpack, and be on my way. So I'm happy about that. I was finding that the other bag was not big enough for all my stuff. Like, the biggest problem is the shoes. To be able to bring, if I'm gonna have a shower at the gym, to bring a separate pair of sandals to wear in the shower and stuff, that was my biggest challenge. So I'm hoping that this will be big enough for all of my stuff. And for those of you who got this bottle from FabFitFun in the past, let's see how it works in there. I was tempted and not tempted to get the Swell bottle because it matched the pink salad bowl so well. It was like, and it was my favorite color and a well-liked bottle. I thought like I might be sort of wanting to get that, but I really do not want another water bottle. I've got too many already, and it didn't matter how good it was because I have good water bottles. So there's how it fits in the side, and actually that matches. Then the other things were from customization number 3. And these are things that I would not have picked on my own, but I have to tell you, speaking of things I would not have picked on my own, one time FabFitFun picked a product for me, was a conditioner. It was this Truff Love, but it came in like a tube container. I never would have picked it. It is the best conditioner that I have ever used. It's like a hair mask that I actually go out and pay full price for this now. Although actually they had a bunch of these in the add-ons, and I paid, not in the add-ons, but in one of their edit sales, and I paid just to buy as many of these as I could. I have now added on the Truff Love orange container that's a refill to try it out to see if it's the same. But I literally love this stuff so much that I now, from now on out, like I never want to go without this. This is that good. I really love that. So having said that, these are things I would not have picked out from customization 3, but they could end up becoming things that I've discovered that are so amazing. The 2 things that I chose, or it came in this box that I wouldn't have chosen, are the Facial Radiance pads and then the Aveda leave-in conditioner. And again, trying to protect my hair. If you haven't seen my videos about my gray hair journey, I have a whole series about that. I stopped coloring my hair, and one of the things definitely is to protect it from heat. So I'm happy to have these to be able to do that, as well as it's a good sort of detangler and leave-in conditioner, which I think is important. And then last but not least, the other thing that I definitely knew that I wanted in this category, and that is the number 6 customization, the Thrive Mascara. The reason why I wanted this mascara is solely because Katie was talking about all the products, and she said this is hands down the best mascara in the world. So if nothing else, I just have to try it for that endorsement, because that's a pretty bold statement. And I do love a good mascara, and it won't go to waste. I definitely like the kind of brush that this has. So it's got like a big brush like this. And the packaging actually feels really very nice. Apparently this Thrive Cosmetics is a very popular brand that is well known for one of their different mascaras in their line. So that is my first spring unboxing. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you want to see the other 3 boxes and the add-ons that I got from the spring category, I'll have a chance to have used some of these items and report back to you on what I think of them. Hands down, a favorite from this season is the plates. For me, this is a purchase that I have spoiled myself with. I've had such great success with things from FabFitFun that have really added to my life, and things that I have found that are really wonderful, that I enjoy, that I would never have gone out and purchased for myself. I rarely ever buy things for myself. This is the only time, which is why I think I go a little crazy when they end up getting really great products that I'm a super fan of. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.